Hey everybody, Ant here. Let's see what we're making today. Looks like it's going to be vegan Elvis stuffed French toast. Hmm. Now I know Elvis passed before I was born, but I do know that his favorite sandwich was peanut butter, bananas, and bacon. But then vegans generally don't eat French toast because it's generally dipped in egg. Well, I'm sure we'll figure out something. Come on. Okay, I'm about to cook this vegan bacon, and you're already familiar with that. But since this is stuffed French toast, we're gonna make candied vegan bacon. That was supposed to be a freeze frame. Anyway, we're gonna get that out the way for a second while we get everything else together for the toast. So here's our Texas toast with homemade peanut butter. A lot of people have been asking how I make this peanut butter, and the recipe is going to be included underneath. Now, you're welcome to use store-bought peanut butter, but since this is vegan, make sure it doesn't contain honey. Some companies do that. So now we're going to add our candied bacon and bananas. And the final slice of bread, of course. Now you're already familiar with the coding station, so I'm going to zoom through steps 1 and 2 and take you right to step 3, which is the batter portion. Into your large grease skillet for 2 minutes 30 seconds on the first side, medium high heat of course. 2 minutes 15 seconds on the other side, and you already know how I feel about that crust. And that is how vegans are able to enjoy French toast. Well, that's all I have for you. You know just where to look if you like the recipe for this. Thanks for being with me, and I'll see you again soon. What? The recipe doesn't include candied bacon. Oh, see, here's the thing. Candied bacon is generally something I only use for my cheesecakes, and anything that's involved in the cheesecakes I don't give the recipe out for. But using non-candied bacon will be just fine. What? You got some bacon for me? Oh, cool, let's have it. Uh, yeah, that thread doesn't work when you're talking about food. What? You got a recipe for me? That doesn't work either. Hey, where did you find a hand slap emoji?